So what we're gonna do, we're taking this hybrid tomorrow on a trip. Since it's summertime, we don't need the all-wheel drive. We are taking it to Park City, Utah. It's gonna be a fun road trip, so stay tuned. Yeah, it's not winter time, but there's actually more to do there in the summer. Spring and summer than winter. So we have stuff for our place up there. Extra stuff we don't need down here. See how packed this bed is. It's not very big, but does the job. Just what we needed. It's definitely a good road trip vehicle for two. You can see 3 is pushing it. And let's close up this tonneau. Perfect. Look at that. Nice and tight. I want to listen to this engine. Oh, it just shut off. Okay, there we go. Sounds like Darth Vader. All right, let's go.
Buckle time.
Buckle up.
Oh, look it. We're all buckled.
Oh yeah, that's what that shows.
Nice little
Double.
feature.
That way, you know that every passenger is buckled. When you hit OK, that message goes away. Sweet. Road trip in the hybrid Maverick XLT. So we're gonna go through up to 15 from Huntington Beach to Las Vegas. That's about a 4-hour drive. And through Vegas, through Mesquite, Arizona, then through St. George, Utah, Cedar City, Utah, which is right near Zion National Park. We won't have time to stop there, but it's beautiful. And then we're going to be going to Salt Lake City and on to Park City, up to 15. So from Vegas to Park City is about a 6-hour drive. Let's do this. So we had to make a stop. I want to video this because right now the truck Alto Blue looks almost black.
Pretty.
Really pretty. Speaking of pretty, there she goes. So here's the backup camera in action. It's good. It shows you the lines where you're supposed to go. I think the quality is decent. It's not high def, 4K. Looks good. Okay, let's go. Here we are, traffic through Redlands. But I find it interesting. There's a full-size F-150 right in front of us. Looks like almost the same color as ours.
A little bit
Dark,
lighter.
a little bit lighter, but it's dark blue. Okay, we're gonna plug in Android Auto, do a little real-world view of what it does. So I gotta hit Android Auto right here. Oh, I didn't even hit it. Came on automatically with the map from the phone showing our destination. I plugged in Las Vegas. It says it's 3 hours and 20 minutes left, 216 miles. Arrive 4:20 p.m. So this is the home button. So I can go from maps, showing our destination, well, our stop in Las Vegas along the way. And then when I want to see the whole menu, there's all my choices. I could listen to Pandora or Spotify, which makes more sense to me than satellite radio subscription. Weather.
Right now in San Bernardino, it's 74 degrees and sunny. Today, it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of 81 and a low of 58.
San Bernardino. Okay, settings. Oh, I can tell it if I want to see my messages on the screen, notifications, automatically start media. That's what I did when I plugged the phone in. Work profile, weather. Oh, it's got wallpaper.
Mountains.
Oh, mountains. Mountains. We're heading to the mountains. Let's do a mountain wallpaper.
So you selected when we were driving?
Maybe not. I'm not driving then.
Some things you can't do while
Yeah.
you're driving, even if you're in the passenger seat. They don't let you
Day-night mode automatic.
turn it off. There's no
Yes.
option to say, hey, I'm a passenger.
That's correct. I don't know what game snacks means. Oh, not available while driving. Never mind.
Exactly what I said.
Of course.
Yeah.
Podcasts. Nothing there. Hold on. Phone.
No, we don't want that.
Has all your contacts.
Look at him going up the hill.
Nice.
Revving up 50% of power.
It's got some good power, even if it's the hybrid version. Right now you're going
Almost 80.
971.6 miles. She's got lane on, the green little symbol.
And I did have cruise control, but the 77 is X'd out because I'm climbing and I haven't put on.
Hit it back on again just so we can see how it turns green. Cruise control. Set. There we go. Now it's green, so it means this cruise is on. Hey, it's beautiful. Look at that. 256 miles to empty.
Oh, look at. Now
What?
it's on electric mode.
Oh,
A little bit.
it was on electric mode. It's gonna, yeah, when you're going downhill, it's gonna charge the battery. Okay, let's see what else this has. What's up? Things you can customize.
Oh,
Not while
available
driving.
While driving.
Makes sense. And then Pandora. Oh, I can say, hey, open Pandora. Nice. We can play rock hits. There you go, Guns N' Roses. There we go, baby. There's the entire route to Vegas. And if I go into settings, I can see traffic. I can also switch to satellite mode. That's cool. There we go. So,
same functions as Google.
yeah. So settings.
Being reflected on the screen. It's nice to control it though from there.
Yeah, I can show traffic or no traffic. That's always good to see what traffic's like on the screen. Satellite or map mode. Kind of like satellite. I did not know it did that on the screen. And then you can also hit the Pandora button or Spotify if that's what you have on. And select your music. I don't have the music turned up because of copyright rules. Okay, back to the map. Back to Pandora. Okay, oh, and I want to change stations right there. I can select different Pandora stations if I want. Here, I can check messages. It'll show text messages on the screen. Okay, back to the map. Okay, we just hit a rest stop on the 15. About an hour from Vegas. Right now, the Maverick, once again, looks very dark. There's black. And there's the blue. Right there. You can see the difference. The deep blue of a Maverick Alto blue. And this side looks black. The shady side. Here we are, Las Vegas, baby. There's the Death Star, they call it. The new stadium. Las Vegas Raiders. Mandalay Bay. What is that? The Cosmo and the Vidara and the Aria.
Lariat is such a cool place.
And we're coming up on the Bellagio right now.
Oh, look at that. Bellagio and a little taste of
You had it zoomed
Paris.
out? Wow. Nice. Oh, there you go.
Will you pay attention to the road? Jeez.
Caesar's Palace.
Ooh, check it out. Look at those.
The Mirage. The Wynn Hotel. Encore. Resorts World. Right there. Zoom in a little bit. Yes. Circa. That's the new one downtown. Beautiful. Is this the original Ford Maverick?
Man, I'm bouncing around.
I thought the Ford Maverick was a car. Look at that.